Have you ever looked around and felt like nobody cares? Like your pain doesn't matter? Like your tears are invisible? Like your struggle is silent? Good. This is where the Stoic is born. This video is not for people who want pity. This video is for you, the one left behind, the one who walks alone, the one building something in the dark. Nobody cares about you. That's your power now. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Nobody cares. That means you're free. They forgot you. They ignored you. They left you on read. Good. Now you're free. Free from needing them. Free from chasing attention. Free from wasting your strength. Now you can build. Alone. In silence. In power. Chapter 2. Life is cold, so you be fire. Life is not warm. People are not always kind. They forget fast. So what? That makes you fire. You become the warmth you needed. You don't beg for love. You give love to yourself. You build daily, quietly, with fire in your chest. Chapter 3. Loneliness is not a curse. It's a furnace. You think you're alone? You are. Good. Now the real you can rise. Not the one they wanted. Not the version you made to fit in. The real you. Strong. Still. Focused. Loneliness is not a punishment. It's where power is born. Chapter 4. No one is coming. So lead yourself. No one is coming. No rescue. No hero. But that's okay. You are the hero. You stand. You walk. You rise. With no hand holding you. With no voice cheering you. With no praise. This is real strength. Chapter 5. Build in silence. Let results speak. Stop talking. Stop explaining. Stop proving. Let them doubt you. Let them forget you. Let them laugh. Then one day, they will see what silence built. They will ask how, but you won't explain. You will just smile. Chapter 6. Be the stone they threw. They threw words. They threw hate. They threw silence. You catch it all. You hold it. You build with it. Now you are a wall. Not to keep people out, but to show you cannot be knocked down. Stone by stone, they built you. Chapter 7. Focus beats everything. You don't need noise. You don't need cheers. You need focus. Focus on your breath. Focus on your step. Focus on the work. The world is loud, but you are quiet. And in that silence, you win. Chapter 8. Let go of being understood. You want them to get you? To understand your pain? To feel your mind? Let that go. You don't need to be understood. You need to understand yourself. The Stoics knew most people will never see what you see. And that's okay. Keep building, even if no one claps. Chapter 9. Pain is a mirror. When you hurt, don't run. Look, pain shows you what matters. Pain shows you where you need to grow. Pain is your mirror. Use it. Stare into it. Then move forward. Chapter 10. Be proud of the quiet days. No views. No likes. No help. Good. That's when your story is being written. Not on the stage. In the shadows. Day by day. Step by step. No noise. Only growth. Be proud of that, because later they will wish they watched. Chapter 11. Keep walking even when it's slow. Your growth feels slow? Like nothing is changing? Like you're stuck? That's okay. Keep walking. The Stoic path is not fast. It's steady. It's quiet. Every small step you take today is building a future you can't see yet. Walk slow, but never stop. Chapter 12. Use the doubt as fuel. They said you won't make it. They said you're not good enough. They looked at your dreams and laughed. Good. Use it. Let their doubt feed your fire. Let their silence sharpen your focus. Because when you win, you don't need to say a word. Your results will speak for you. Chapter 13. Don't beg to be seen. Stop begging. Stop chasing. Stop screaming for attention. You don't need to be seen. You need to become so good, so powerful, so clear in your purpose that the world can't ignore you. Be the storm they never saw coming. Chapter 14. Discipline is love. No one teaches you this. Discipline is not punishment. It is love. It's the love you show yourself when you wake up early, when you work on your dreams, when you say no to weakness. Every act of discipline is a way of saying, I care about my future. Chapter 15. Let silence be your teacher. The world talks too much. Too many opinions. Too much noise. Go silent. Listen to yourself. Feel your breath. Watch your thoughts. The Stoic learns most when the world is quiet. Let silence teach you. Chapter 16. You are not broken. You are building. You feel broken? You are not. You are building. Every scar is a brick. Every tear is mortar. Every mistake is a blueprint. This isn't a breakdown. This is construction. You are becoming something no one will believe. Chapter 17. Forget motivation. Choose dedication. Motivation is weak. It fades. It changes. But dedication? That's different. That's daily. That's choice. Choose to keep going. Even when it hurts. Even when no one claps. That's real power. Chapter 18. Don't prove them wrong. Prove yourself right. This journey is not to prove them wrong. Not to show them. Not to hurt them back. It's for you. To prove to yourself that you were always enough. You don't need revenge. You need purpose. Chapter 19. Choose growth over comfort. Comfort is a trap. It feels good, but it kills your power. Growth is hard. It hurts, but it builds you. Every day ask, does this grow me? Then choose that. Chapter 20. This is only the beginning. You're still here, still listening, still breathing. That means you haven't given up. That means you're one of the few, the strong, the steady, the stoic. And this is only the beginning. Chapter 21. Trust the hard road. The easy road looks nice, but it leads nowhere. The hard road, it's lonely, it's dark, it's uphill, but that's the road to strength, to growth, to peace. Take the hard road. That's the Stoic way. Chapter 22. Train your mind like a warrior. You train your body. Train your mind, too. Watch your thoughts. Stop the weak ones. Feed the strong ones. Say to your mind, I lead, you follow. That's how Stoics think. Chapter 23. Turn rejection into redirection. They said no. They closed the door. They picked someone else. Good. That's not rejection. That's redirection. Now, you know where not to go. Now you can find your real path. Chapter 24. Control the controllables. You can't control the weather, or people, or the past, but you can control you, your thoughts, your actions, your attitude. That's enough. And that's everything. Chapter 25. Turn emotion into motion. You feel angry? Move. You feel sad? Move. You feel lost? Move. Don't sit in it. Don't wait for it to go away. Use emotion as motion. Let feelings fuel action. Chapter 26. Respect the process. You want results now? You want growth fast? That's not how life works. The Stoic knows time grows the strongest trees. Respect the process. Do the work. Trust the roots. Chapter 27. Let go of fairness. Life is not fair. It never was. It never will be. But the Stoic doesn't cry about that. He moves anyway. She builds anyway. Fair or not, you rise. Chapter 28. Small wins matter. Don't wait for big victories. Look for small wins. Waking up early. Not quitting. Finishing what you start. Those are wins. Those build you. Celebrate those. Chapter 29. Protect your energy. Not everyone deserves your time. Not everyone deserves your focus. Guard your mind. Guard your heart. Guard your energy. It's your power. Don't waste it. Chapter 30. Keep showing up, even on tired days, even on quiet days, even when no one sees. Keep showing up, because every time you do, you're becoming, you're building, you're becoming the Stoic warrior no one can stop.